Hello, good evening.
Mm.
Hello. Wow, hello, good evening, and welcome to our
Hello,
class.
teacher.
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Iris. How about you? What is your name? Hello,
My name is Timmy.
Timey. Wow, hello, Timey. Nice to meet you. Okay, so it's nice to see you in this classroom. So, again, my name is Teacher Iris, and I will be your teacher starting from now. Okay, so now, Timey, how are you today? Are you happy
Yeah,
today? Yes?
happy.
Happy, yes, that's good. That's good to know that you are happy. Did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Yeah,
Yes, okay, perfect. And now, are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready?
yeah,
Yes, okay. So for
ready.
ready, yes, good job. So, okay, so for our lesson for today, Timey, so we will talk about Unit 6, which is the zoo. But for this lesson, so we will have a story. This one. So when we say story, so this is all about a story.
Sorry.
Yes, story. Very good. So we will listen to a story, and after that, we will answer some questions about the story. Okay. So let's take a look at the our story. So let me just open the audio here. Okay, just one moment. Number 22.
Page 56.
Can you hear?
Lesson
Can you hear the
3.
sound?
Story. A. Talk about the pictures.
Can you hear
Then
the sound?
listen and read. Where's Danny?
Okay.
Hurry! Let's see the tigers.
Wait, I like elephants.
Danny, where are you? Look! Where's Danny?
I know.
I'm sorry. That's okay.
Okay. Okay, let's listen to it again one more time.
Page 56. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. Where's Danny?
Hurry! Let's see the tigers.
Wait, I like elephants.
Danny, where are you? Look! Where's Danny?
I know.
I'm sorry. That's okay.
Okay, Taimi. So that is about our story. So it is about let's say, where's Danny?
Where's
Where's?
Danny?
Very good. Where's Danny? So for this story, let's take a look at these animals. Do you know what animal is this, Taimi?
Elephant.
Very good. It's an elephant. Very good. Good job. How about this one? What animal is this?
Tiger.
Very good. So they're tigers. So good job. Very good. So let's read the story. So let's move on to the next page. Okay. So let's read this one. Hurry. Let's say hurry. Hurry. Let's see.
Harry.
Let's see
Harry.
the tigers.
Let's tiger.
Very good. Next, wait. Wait. I like elephants.
Elephant.
Very good. One more time. I say, wait.
Wait.
I
Elephant.
like. I
I
like.
like elephant.
Very good. Next, Danny. Where are
Danny.
you? Where
Where
are you?
Are you?
Look.
No.
Okay, let's say look. Look.
No.
Look.
Look.
Very good.
Look.
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 Okay, very good. Next. Where's Danny? Where's Danny?
Where's Danny?
I know.
I know.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, so that is our story, Tiny. So this boy wearing an orange shirt is Danny. So this is Danny.
Danny.
Yes, Danny likes tigers.
Danny like tiger.
Very good. Because let's take a look at his cap. So there is a tiger on his
Tiger.
cap. Very good. Yes. And this is Sam. Sam.
Sam.
And this is
Sam.
Mom.
Mom.
Okay, very good. So for this one, so in this first scenario, so Danny wants to see the tigers.
Is
Okay,
tiger.
very good. So now teacher has a question. Thyme. What what is Danny's favorite animal?
Animal.
What is Danny or what animal does Danny like? Danny likes
Danny likes
tiger.
tiger.
Very good. So next, let's take a look at Sam. So on the other hand, Timey, Sam likes elephants.
Sam
Sam,
like elephant.
very good. So what animal does Sam likes? What animal does Sam likes? Sam
Sam
likes
likes
elephants.
elephant.
Very good. So one more time. So for Danny, Timey, what is the animal that
Like
that Danny's like? What animal is this?
tiger.
Tiger. Very good. How about Sam? What does Danny likes or what is the animal?
Elephant.
Very good. Good job. So that is what the animal that they like. So Danny, he wants to see the tigers, but Sam, he likes elephants. So that's why in the second scenario, so Danny disappeared. Only his cap was
Yeah.
left. Yes, only his cap was left in the place. So
In the place.
yes, very good. So they find Danny. They say, "Where's Danny?"
Where's Danny?
Okay, very good. And they've gone to the tigers and they saw Danny in or near the tigers because Danny likes tigers.
Danny tiger.
Yes, very good. And for this one, Danny said, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yes, so we say sorry if we want to um, apologize for our mistakes. So in this story, so Danny disappeared, and his mother and Sam are worried. That is why Danny said sorry to his mother and Sam. So the value, when we say value, it is what we learn. What we learn in a story. So let's read our value. Let's say be safe. Be safe.
He.
Okay, one more time. Let's say be safe.
He. He.
Safe.
Sasaki.
Safe.
He.
Okay. Okay, let's practice that in the next one. So this one, when we say be safe, being safe means staying close to your parents, especially when we are out in the public. So being
In
safe,
public.
very good. So it's about protecting yourself so no one gets lost or hurt. So that is the value that we will learn, or the value that we learn in this story. So being safe. So Thaimi, so whenever you are out with your parents, remember to be with them always, because that is being safe. Okay? It's about protecting yourself. Okay, okay. So
Okay.
this one, let's go to our next one. So let's have this activity. So this is listening and circle. So you will circle check or X based on the picture. Okay, so let's listen to the audios that we have. Okay.
Page 57. B. Listen and circle check or X. 1,
Number one.
Hurry! Let's see the tigers.
Okay. So for number one, so who do you know, or do you remember, Thaimi? Who is this boy? This is Who is this? He
This
is he is Danny.
is Danny.
Very good. What animal does Danny likes? What animal? He likes What animal is this? He likes roar. What animal is that? Then the color orange animal. He
Mm,
likes
the right
tigers.
tiger.
Okay, he likes tigers. So based on this audio, so the audio said, hurry, let's see the tigers. So do you think, Thyme, this is correct or X? Correct or X?
Yes.
Yes, there you go. This is correct. So yes, this is correct. This is a check because this is what Danny said. So he likes to see tigers. That is why he said it. Hurry. Let's see tigers. So let's listen to number two.
2,
Wait, I like elephants.
Okay, one more time.
2,
Wait, I like elephants.
Okay, so for number two, so the boy said, wait, I like elephants. So let's take a look at this picture. So remember, this is mom, or Danny and Sam's mom. So in the audio, it says that, wait, I like elephants.
No.
No, yeah. So no, this is check or X.
Check of egg.
It's an
It
no.
no.
No, very good. No, because the mom doesn't said that she like elephants. So who said that he likes elephant? This one. Sam. Sam said that he likes
No.
elephants. No. Okay. So yes, this the number two. So the answer is X. Okay, let's go to number three.
3,
Danny, where are you?
Okay, one more time.
3,
Danny, where are you?
Okay, so now let's take a look at this number 3 picture. So the audio said, Danny, where
Danny,
are you?
where are you?
Okay, very good. So let's take a look at this picture. So who is this, Timey? Who is this boy? He is Sam. Okay, so who is this? He is
He is
Sam.
Sam.
Very good. So does Sam likes elephants?
Elephant.
Yes or no? Does Sam likes elephants? Yes or no?
No.
No? Are you
No.
sure? Look at this one. What animal is this? It's an what animal?
Now.
Oh no. What animal is this? It's an elephant.
Yes.
Yes, elephant. So let's take a look at this dialogue. So Danny, where are you? Do you think Sam said this in the story? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
No, very good. It's a no. Because this is what mother said or mom said. So for this number 3, so this is incorrect. So it's X. Okay. So next, last one. Number 4.
4.
I know.
4.
I know.
Okay. So what for number 4? So let's say, I know.
I know.
I know. Okay. So let's look at this boy in the picture. Who is this again, Timey? This
No.
is this is no. This is Sam.
This is Sam.
Very good. And does Sam said I know? Check or X?
No.
I know? He doesn't said I know?
No.
No. This one is a check. A check because this is what? No, this is a check because this is what Sam said. Sam was the one who discovered where is Danny. So he take Danny's cap. As we can see, there is a tiger on Danny's cup. That is why he knows where Danny is. Okay, so very good. So good job for this activity. Okay, so now let's read. Let's read the dialogues that we have here. Okay, let's read first number 1. Hurry.
Hurry.
Let's see
Let's see
the tigers.
the tiger.
Okay, very good. Next. Wait.
We.
I like elephants.
And you like elephant.
Next. Danny.
Johnny.
Where are you?
Where you?
Okay, one more time. Where are?
Where are you?
Very good. Next. I know.
I know.
Okay, good job. Next. Okay, let's go to our next page. Okay, we have here a song. So let's try to listen first and we will sing it together. Okay?
Page
Let's listen.
57. C. Sing. Where are the elephants?
Where are the elephants?
Hurry, hurry, where are the
elephants?
Wait!
I
I don't like
like
elephants.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Look,
I know.
let's see the tigers.
Hurry, hurry, where are the zebras? Wait! I don't like zebras. I'm sorry. That's okay.
Okay.
Look, I know.
Let's see the tigers.
Hurry, hurry, where
Where
are
are the bears?
Wait, I don't like bears.
I'm sorry.
That's
That's
okay.
okay.
Look,
I know. Let's see the tigers.
Okay, Taimi. So let's take a look at the pictures that we have here. So what animal is this? This one. This is
Elephant.
elephant. Very good. How about this one?
Bear.
Bear. Next. This is we call it as zebras.
Zebra.
Very good. One more time. What animal is this, Taimi? This is a
Zebra.
zebra. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. So this is what the song all about. Okay, so for this song, thus the person who are singing the song likes elephant? Yes or no? Do they like elephants? Yes or
Yay.
no? Are you sure?
Yay.
It's a yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you sure? So let's take a look at this sentence. I don't like elephants. I don't. Yes. So is it a yes or
Yes.
no? Do they like elephants?
Elephant.
No, they don't like
No.
elephants. Yes, very good. Because when we say I don't like, so we say this if we don't like something. For example, in this song, yes, in this song, I don't like elephants. How about you, Thyme? How about you, Thyme? Do you like elephants? Yes or no? Do you like elephants? Do you like elephants? Yes or no? No? Do you like elephants? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích voi không? Có hay không?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes, I like
Yes,
yes,
I like
elephants.
elephant.
Okay, very good. Next, how about bears? Do you like bears, Thyme?
Bạn có thích gấu không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes.
Yeah.
I like
I like
bears.
bears.
Very good. How about zebras? Do you like zebras, Thyme? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích mì Thái hình ngựa vằn không?
Yes or no? Do you like zebras?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes.
Yes.
I like
I like
zebras.
zebra.
Okay, very good. How about tigers? Do you like tigers?
Bạn có thích hổ không?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's say yes. I like
I like
tigers.
Tiger.
Okay, very good. So that is, or that are the animals that we have here in our song. So next, let's go to our next page. Okay, we have another activity. So we will listen and say, and we will act.
Page 57. D. Listen and say. Then act.
I'm sorry. That's okay.
Okay, so let's read. Let's read first. I'm
I'm
sorry.
sorry. That's okay.
Wow, very good. So that is our dialogue. So when we say I'm sorry, so we say this when we did something wrong. For
Good.
example, yes. So for example, our parents,
Example.
yes, our parents, mommy and daddy got angry with us. So, be- yes, they got angry with us because we don't do our homework. So we will say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yes, and your parents will say, that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, when we say that's okay, so it means that it's all right. It's all right.
Hey,
Yes, that's okay. It's all right. I forgive you. Okay. So, for example, do you have a friend, Taimi? Do you have a friend? Yes or
do
no?
you? Yeah.
Yes.
Bạn có bạn bè không?
Do you have a friend? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. For example, when your friend drops or when you drop your friend's toy, so what will you say if you drop your friend's toy? What will you say? We will say, I'm I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, and our friend or your friend will say, that's okay. That
That's
means
okay.
very good. That means that they are not angry with you. So next, let's have some examples here. So let's take a look at this picture. There are two children eating. This girl is eating a bread and an
Yeah.
apple juice. This,
Poodle.
yes, this boy is eating vegetables and chicken.
This was
Okay, so the girl dropped her apple
Apple.
juice,
Apple
yes,
juice.
on the boy's food. What should she
Beautiful.
say? Yes, what should she say or what would the girl
What you
say? The
say?
girls the girl should say,
Say.
I'm I'm sorry.
Sorry.
And the boy will say, that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, so next, let's have this last one. So let's look at this boy. The boy came late for school, and the teacher is angry because the boy is late. What shall the boy say
Say.
to the boy shall say, I'm I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
And the teacher will say, that's okay.
That's okay.
Okay, so very good. So that's it. Okay. that's it for our lesson for today, Tiny. Wow, so we have finished our lesson. So good job for finishing this lesson. However, so teacher suggests that you practice how you will say I'm sorry when you are making mistakes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for your time today, Thaimi, and it's
Thank you.
nice to meet you. Goodbye and
Thank
see you
you. Yeah.
again. See you
Thank you.
again on Tuesday. Bye bye.